Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. Welcome you all to my channel. And this session, I'm just going to create one charting scanner based on our premium group members request. It purely depends on volume. Here, the condition what we try to create based on the current candle volume, we are comparing to the previous candle volume. So the logic is very simple. How to we going to create in a charting? So for example, the current candle volume, okay, should be greater than last 20 candles volume. So last 20 candles volume. So if you are planning this one, last 20 candle, we need to take an average of last 20 candles. So for example, this is a 5-minute chart. We try to take last 5 minutes average volume. So average volume, if you are trying to get for a last 20 candles, so we try to get SME on volume based. So this one will tell you what is the average last 20 candles. Then we do compare this one with the current candle volume. So then we can easily identify. So this is what query we are going to create as a charting scanner. So let me move on to create that particular scanner. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. So like getting scanners and screeners we are creating in charting, as well as we have built our own positional and intraday stock option scanners, because charting doesn't provide you an options data. So we have created as per our logic for what we are looking for a scanner. Exactly, we created based on our positional strategy. So that is also available. So if you require any details about the scanners and screeners, just ping me on my WhatsApp number, which shown on this video. Okay, so what the logic, and I need to add SMA volume. So let me try to add. Let me first add the volume. So how do we get a average volume? So here in this volume, we have to add some settings. So here I just go to the settings. Here you can look at this in a smooth line SME. So moving average 20 SME. It is a simple moving average. So here we need to add first a volume SME, volume moving average or smooth. So I'm just using volume moving average. So this will tell you an average what should be the current average volume. So if you are looking at volume SMA, right? So this will tell you exactly what is the current average volume and what should be the current volume. So the current average on this particular is 23.58K and the current candle volume is 93.885K. So where you can look at this, when I move the cursor, you can easily identify exactly the volume. So if you are looking at here, so here today last candle volume 92.88K and average is 23.5. So this is based, so we can easily identify what is an average volume. Okay, so let me add this in a bold. Okay, so this is what an average volume. So where we can go into create with the charting scanner. Okay, so let me, I'm just using a future and options, so we can change over any segments from here, because very limited number of stocks in futures and options. So we have to find any 5 minutes candle. Just I'm just going to take volume. Okay, and it's not about daily. Even daily also we can check it. Just 5 minutes we required. So 5 minutes volume. Okay, so it must be greater than. So this current 5 minutes candle volume is greater than simple SME, 5 minute SME. Here not about a close, it should be a volume. So we used 20 candles. So and 5 times. So maybe for an example, this volume should be 500. Sorry, let us assume 5 times we are looking for. This volume is 500. So this is an 100. Okay, we need to take this must be 5 times higher. Then it is, we are using a greater than symbol. So simply multiplied by 500. Then this volume should be calculated as 500. When it is greater than 500, then this condition will be satisfied, and you can easily identify that particular scenario. So let me add number 5. Okay, so we to use, and one more condition. So let's check it first. So Mariko at last 5 minutes candle. Let me check. So what should be the average? It's around 33. It is 846. So it's exactly 5 times higher. So we mentioning it. It's simply number 5 means the current 5 minutes candle volume is must be greater than 5 times. Okay, and another one. LICI. Let me check. That is also comparatively 5 times higher. So volume is 21 and current volume is 128. So 5 times of it is more than 5 times. Okay, so the last one Concor. Okay, this is also 5 times higher. So one more condition you want to add. So that is the condition. Let me check. Okay, you was asking about some volume, and then let me try to check those conditions. A 20 times average volume, and then with the current value exceeds 4 crores. Current value volume exceeds value. We didn't get a value exiting 4 crores, no problem. So this one which we find it out, and one more logic which we have find it with the same scenario. I'll be 5 minutes, or you can use it. Same logic, one more better one. First 5 minutes candle. First candle. So we do use -1 5 minutes candle, then previous to previous. So it will be showing you only on first candle. So that huge volume should happen, and we should consider 9:15 today. Okay, after that, because it will be showing you after that particular candle loop in total. Let me check whether it is working right. Yeah, because we have a two condition, that's why it is confusing, right? We'll be hide this, and this is the one which we are exactly looking for a first candle. It will be keep on showing you first 5 minutes candle. It we go what's -1. Yes, at 9:15. This is what the stock. Cipla sale. Let me check. This is also you can use it, yeah, where you can see here the volume 13 and 39,300 somewhere here, 39.05k, but here in this candle 1405 almost. It is not about a price. If you are checking 127.5, so 29.5. Previous one we have to check 23. Yes, to the current candle. So instead of that -1, we can use the same. So that will be exactly telling you instead of -1, same you can use it. You will be getting some stocks and at only 9:15. So these two conditions which you can add it, and you can able to find the 5 times. So if I want to take it out 10 times, comparatively more than 10 times on the average at 9:15, 20. After that there is no stocks, maybe here at 9:15. Let me check Glenmark. 20 times. You can increase the number. You can look at this. The first candle, it is previously the volume is very less 215, and this particular candle it is almost very huge, 75. Previous to previous somewhere around 3.7, and this particular candle it's almost 75. So this will help you to find a stock which forming a huge volume. So here you to adjust this particular scenario, and then it will be helping you to find out some stocks. So maybe which one first 5 minutes or every 5 minutes you can turn off which one you required, then it will be working for you. as a scan, so more volumes. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you are new, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.